Are you curious about how psychologists explore the human mind? This video delves into the fascinating world of research methods in psychology. Discover the tools and techniques used to unravel the complexities of human behavior. Naturalistic observation involves watching subjects in their natural environment. Controlled observation, on the other hand, takes place in a structured setting. Both methods have their unique advantages and challenges. Overt observation means subjects know they are being watched, while covert does not. Inter-observer reliability ensures consistency across different observers. Sampling methods like event sampling and time sampling are crucial. These techniques allow researchers to systematically select when and what to observe, making data collection more structured and reliable. These methods help in capturing relevant data efficiently. Event sampling focuses on recording specific behaviors or events whenever they occur, while time sampling involves observing at set intervals, both saving time and resources. Observational design plays a key role in ensuring valid results. A well-structured design ensures consistency, reduces observer bias, and increases the accuracy and credibility of the findings. Questionnaires and interviews are common self-report methods. Structured interviews follow a set sequence of questions. Unstructured interviews are more flexible, allowing for open-ended responses. Questionnaire construction involves designing both open and closed questions. Pilot studies help refine these tools before full-scale research. Case studies provide in-depth analysis of individuals or groups. They are particularly useful for exploring rare or unique phenomena. Content analysis involves examining texts or media to identify patterns. Both qualitative and quantitative approaches can be used. These methods offer detailed insights into specific cases or content. Effect size measures the strength of a relationship or effect. It provides context to the significance of research findings. Meta-analysis combines results from multiple studies. This approach enhances understanding by synthesizing data. Both techniques are vital for comprehensive research conclusions. Systematic reviews critically evaluate existing research. They follow a structured methodology to identify, appraise, and synthesize all relevant studies on a particular question, reducing bias and increasing reliability. They offer a comprehensive overview of a specific topic. By pooling data from multiple sources, systematic reviews highlight patterns, gaps, and areas for future research, making them valuable in evidence-based practice. Cross-sectional studies examine a population at a single point in time. These observational studies collect data simultaneously from participants to assess the prevalence of behaviors, attitudes, or conditions. These studies are quick and cost-effective. Because they require only one round of data collection, they are ideal for assessing large groups without long-term follow-up. They provide a snapshot of current trends or issues. Cross-sectional designs are useful for identifying correlations and informing policy or intervention planning, though they don't show cause and effect. Longitudinal studies follow the same subjects over time. They are essential for observing changes and developments. This method helps identify trends and long-term effects. It requires a significant time investment. Longitudinal research provides valuable insights into developmental processes. Experimental research establishes cause and effect relationships. It involves manipulating independent variables and measuring effects. Random assignment and control groups are key features. This method is rigorous and controlled. It provides clear insights into causal relationships. Surveys gather data from a sample to generalize findings. They use questionnaires or interviews to collect information, Sampling techniques ensure the sample represents the population. Both open and closed questions are used. Surveys are a versatile tool for collecting diverse data. Correlational research examines relationships between variables. It does not manipulate variables, only observes them. The correlation coefficient indicates the strength and direction. Positive or negative correlations are identified. This method does not imply causation, only association. Experimental design plans and structures experiments. It outlines how variables will be tested, measured, and controlled to address specific research questions in a systematic and scientific manner. It ensures both internal and external validity. Internal validity confirms that observed effects are due to the manipulated variables, while external validity ensures that results can be generalized beyond the experimental setting. Manipulating variables and using control groups are crucial. The independent variable is deliberately changed to observe its effect on the dependent variable, while control groups help isolate these effects by providing a baseline for comparison. Randomization helps eliminate bias. Randomly assigning participants to groups reduces the influence of confounding variables and ensures each group is comparable, enhancing the study's credibility. A well-designed experiment leads to reliable results. By carefully planning and controlling the study, researchers can draw valid conclusions and replicate findings across different settings or populations. Descriptive statistics summarize key features of data. Measures of central tendency include mean, median, and mode. Dispersion is assessed with range, variance, and standard deviation. These statistics provide a snapshot of the dataset. They are foundational for further statistical analysis. Inferential statistics draw conclusions from sample data. Hypothesis testing is a core component. It involves formulating null and alternative hypotheses. Significance levels help determine the validity of results. Inferential methods extend findings to larger populations. T-tests compare means between two groups. They determine if differences are statistically significant. Independent samples t-test is commonly used. Calculating the t-statistic and degrees of freedom is crucial. Conclusions are drawn about the significance of differences. ANOVA compares means across multiple groups. It identifies significant differences between groups. The F-statistic and degrees of freedom are calculated. Post hoc tests may be needed for specific group differences. ANOVA is essential for analyzing complex data sets. Chi-square test assesses association between categorical variables. It uses a contingency table to organize data. The chi-square statistic is calculated to find associations. Critical values or p-values determine significance. This test is vital for categorical data analysis. Pearson correlation measures linear relationships. It determines how closely two continuous variables change together in a straight line pattern. It assesses the strength and direction between variables. A positive value indicates both variables increase together, while a negative value means one increases as the other decreases. The correlation coefficient ranges from -1 to +1. A coefficient of +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation, -1 a perfect negative correlation, and 0 means no linear relationship. Significance is determined by p-values. A low p-value, typically less than 0.05, suggests the observed correlation is statistically significant and unlikely to have occurred by chance. Pearson's method is widely used in data analysis. It's commonly applied in psychology, education, and health sciences to explore relationships between measurable variables. Regression predicts values based on predictor variables. It involves formulating a regression equation. Coefficients and R-squared values are examined. This analysis assesses the predictive power of models. Regression is crucial for forecasting and understanding relationships. Effect size quantifies the magnitude of relationships. It offers context to the significance of research. Cohen's or eta squared are common measures. Understanding effect size aids in interpreting results. It is a key component of comprehensive data analysis. In conclusion, understanding human behavior through research methods. Psychological research methods offer diverse tools for exploration. Combining these methods provides a fuller understanding, whether through experiments or surveys. Each method has its strengths. Statistical analysis further enhances these insights. Together, they unravel the complexities of human behavior. Thank you for watching this video.